This is a closer look at the Daosec 80 millimeter heavy duty padlock. I just picked this up. I'm going to be using it in connection with the Daosec 10-foot security chain. This looks like a really great item. I was impressed with the positive reviews it has online, and looks like exactly what I'm gonna use this for. Exactly what I need here. It's made out of thick stainless steel. It's got a really big shackle here. I believe it's a 1/2 inch, and it comes with 3 security keys right here. What I liked about this one, you can see you just put the key in here, open it up, and the shackle just opens nice and easy. So this is going to be used outdoors, so it's going to be weatherproof and everything like that. It's just made very, very heavy duty. It's made out of top quality 304 heavy duty stainless steel. It's got a solid casting of high quality stainless steel material. Really great design, 11 millimeter stainless steel shackle, superb anti-theft, anti-rust, and cut resistant, but what I need it for is weather resistant. So definitely want to check this out if you're looking for a heavy duty padlock. This is a really great item.